Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP. Bring another Movement Monday. And if this is your first time tuning in on these Movement Mondays, we usually like to do a movement demonstration or even a mobility series to really just help you, again, move better, feel better, and live better. And today's movement, we're gonna bring in the clean. We're gonna show you with the kettlebell and dumbbell, which are preferred elements. If you're skipping over to barbell without using these, you're really selling yourself short. And we'll go over a little bit of that in the video today, but clean, it's a popular movement here. It's one I see done wrong often, so that's why we're gonna go over the kettlebell, the dumbbell clean, the clean and what it is. And we're not talking about clean the house, because if you talk to my wife, I don't even have a clue how to do that. So anyways, today's Movement Monday, the clean, and we might throw in some extras. Okay, so the clean, what is it? How do you do it? What are some progressions? I'm going to show all of that from the advanced to some other versions to ease into this. First, I'm actually going to go over, well, let's go over the kettlebell and then we'll come back to the dumbbell. So a clean, essentially bringing it from an explosive, ballistic, it's a power movement, bringing it, it could be from the ground or from what's called the hang position, which is here, and up into what's called the front rack position here. So anyways, if you're using the kettlebell, I prefer, and you really should, if you don't want to bang the back of your wrist, thumb side is a good reminder. So do not grab it like a dumbbell. You're going to grab it thumb side. And the key to all these is to use your hips and you're getting under it. Don't think about pulling it up and keeping it close to the body. Just a few cues there. So you're going to put it thumb side. Here you go. And look at how I rotate. So I'm making sure my scapula is in. And again, make sure you warm up before any of this. And then you're just bringing it up. Once you master that, you can add things like a squat, a press, all that stuff, which you see me do on videos. From the side, think of it as like a hinge or a deadlift. So even if you're doing it from the hang position, from the ground, whichever, notice my knees. Look at where they're at. They're not here. I'm not here. Okay? So quickly up. And I keep it close to the body. In fact, do you see what I'm doing right there? That's called an explosive upright row. And that's one way to build up the power, the strength, and the movement patterns to really master it. Because what I see a lot of people do, they'll grab it on the middle like a dumbbell, or maybe you will grab it thumb side, and they'll bring it like way out here, and then boom. So as you get stronger, we don't want that. If you notice here, why do we want thumb side? Look at how it comes through that window. And then you just have a nice rack position. And then you want your joints stacked. So when you're holding this, this is a way to really properly stack. So my wrist, my elbow, my hip, my knee, even down to my ankle, unless I'm gonna need to widen the stance for movement or something like that, those are all stacked, which makes a really strong, solid, stable position, which is what you want in movements like this. So say you're struggling with that, then maybe go to the dumbbell. And just real quick, a lot of people start out with light, maybe to kind of just go through the motion patterns, maybe a warm up, but you use power to explode up for explosive movements, usually to get heavier loads up. So if you're just doing light, you're really missing the benefit, and most likely you're just, again, bringing it way far out, you're just doing this weird bicep curl movement. And nothing wrong with that, but if you're really trying to do a clean and get the benefits of the clean, which again, great for the back, great for the shoulder, great for the arms, great for the core, posterior chain, things like that, then you want to do the clean. So with the dumbbell, you could do it from the middle, but I honestly, if you're going to do it here from the side, and again, this gets into those, reminding you into those movement patterns like you would with the kettlebell, keeping it close, because here from the side, it forces you, again, it may look like a curl, but again, we're coming up a little bit more explosively. You could still practice that movement pattern, but you still want to bring it here, okay? And a fun little one, again, I'll come back here real quick into that hang. You could even do a swing to a clean, but just make sure that you're pulling it. You're pulling it, getting under it. Again, not bringing it way out here, which I've seen people do. Pulling it up, again, upright row if you need to, or just go down to that dumbbell. And as you go heavier, again, you could even come from the ground like that. As you go heavier with these dumbbells, again, you might want to start getting it closer to that thumb side instead of middle. And that is the clean. Work on that. Like as far as rep ranges, sets, It just depends on what you're going for. You could do a timed interval here, but if you need more on that, that's where you can reach out to me or any of us here at Flex MP. Ava might even be able to help out with that. Right, Ava? So that's the clean. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, we want to see you guys moving better, feeling better, and living better. So if you have any suggestions or need any recommendations as far as things like this into your programming, let us know. And thanks for checking this out, and share with those you know can benefit. Take care. Hey, thanks for checking out videos just like these. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications below to stay up to date on all these videos that we post here throughout the week. And again, tag a friend underneath if you think they might benefit from these videos. And if you need further training or further information or a little more personalized programming to meet your needs, we can create a customized roadmap to meet your needs here at Flex MP. Just click on that link below. Again, contact us today at Flex MP to get you moving better, living better, and feeling better.